Hello, today I need to change one of my sockets over in the landing or the lower landing. It's currently a single socket, which is one of these. You can see it, I'll turn it out the right way. Now, put a double in, really need to sort of chisel it all out and whatever, but I've actually found one of these adapters. Turn it the right way around. It's actually a bit bulky, but it doesn't really matter where it's going, so what I want to do, I want to put one of these on. I think the screws for it are there and there, so not too bad. It saves me churning all the wall out anyway. I'll show you how I do it. I think the most important thing, well, definitely the most important thing when you're doing electrical work, you need to make sure you isolate it, and you need some tools to prove it's isolated. So what I generally do is find the socket, plug something into it and see it's live, like a light or any sort of fitting. Then go to the consumer unit and find the circuit breaker and switch it off. Now the problem I've got with my circuit breaker, I had it rewired quite a while ago, and unfortunately some of the labelling was ran the wrong way. So what you need to do is check to make sure you've got the right circuit breaker. When you turn it off, the light goes out, or the appliance, and then take the socket off carefully, then use a test meter, which is one I've got, is this one here, and check that it is safe. So don't always assume, just because it's gone off, never ever assume it. So we test it, so we'll check the power's on, turn it off on the circuit breaker, then we use one of these to prove that it's actually dead. Then we're safe to change the socket. Well, let's go and do it. Well, this is the socket we need to change. That's a single socket. But I'm actually going to change it for one of these. The reason I've got to change it is because I've got two plugs. I've got one plug here for the Hoover and the other one for the BT. So the first thing to do is we've got to isolate it. So what I'll do, I'll plug in a lamp. The socket's definitely live, so let's go to the consumer unit and see if we can turn it off. Right, this was actually wired in quite a while ago, but it made such a big zero of it. All the labelling is all wrong. So we start off, so I don't know where we start off with, so we go, it's a socket. Let's turn that one off. Oh, well, it's still on, so it's not that one. Put that back on, whatever that was. Kitchen sockets. Sockets. This is bedrooms. Look, bedrooms 1, 2, 3 and 4. Lights, upstairs lights, boiler, spare. This is a spare. No, it's not a spare. The only sockets left is sockets. I don't know if you can see it or not. Sockets bedroom 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bedroom. Oh, it's that one. I'll turn it back on again. Yep. So the downstairs socket is bedroom 1, 2, 3 and 4. But they're all a mess. I found that some of them are. I've had to see that one there. They're supposed to be upstairs, lights upstairs. And what it is, it's the outside lights. So it's messed it right up. Anyway, right, let's get on with it. Well, I've got these out, so let's get them ready. Need a pair of pliers ready. What I try and like to do is get them in order. So you've got on the socket there, you've got the live, earth and the neutral. So what we'll do is move these around a little bit. I'll see if I can wire these up together. It just makes it easier for putting the wires in. Let's give them a little twist together. Don't have to go much. Do the live as well. Right, that's it. Put the backing one cover on. These are all wound out, so should really just be able to push them in there. Right, now try and get the earth in. Only trouble, the camera's in the way, I can't really see it now. What I like to do, once I put it in, I just need to make sure it is in, which it wasn't. Sounds bad, doesn't it? That's it. That's it. And then just a live one to go in. Get my thumb out of the way. Well, that's all them in. All we've got to do is run this up there. Well, it's all connected. It does come with some longer screws. I've got to try and get them in there now. Let's square it up a little bit, just do it by eye. I reckon that's about right, isn't it? I'll tighten that right up. Right. I've got a little cap to go in there, I won't do it just yet. Right, switch it on. Let's go to the consumer unit. Right, so that's off. And that's on. Sorted. Another job done. I'll just put the little plugs in, which yeah. I'll give it loads of fire if I need to. That's it. Sorted. I'll just sort these cables out now because they're about under a foot too long. Well, that's it, job done. So I've got the PT booster box there, and we've got the Hoover mounting place or station. That's all here. What I'll do now is sort these cables out. I'll do that another day.